Hi there, in this video I'm just gonna share with you some of the things I did when I installed SAP HANA Studio in my local machine, and how did I add the app features in that HANA Studio. So best is go to this website, tools.hana.ondemand.com, hashtag HANA tools. So this is the HANA part here. So what I did is I downloaded the Eclipse for Java developers. So if I click on this one, this will appear, and you have to download the in my case it's a Windows, so I download this one, Windows 64-bit, and installed it in my extracted and installed it in my computer. Also, HANA Studio requires a JRE, so you need to install JRE also. Here from oracle.com, I've downloaded the Java runtime environment. So in my case, it's a Windows 64. So this is the one that I've downloaded. And because if you downloaded a different one, it might go to an error. So make sure that you're if it is 64, you download your 64 version installer. And also you can try this YouTube channel. It helped me a lot with my HANA Studio installation. The only problem I found is if you go to this website again, you will see here that if you're installing the Eclipse, if you're adding the about features of Eclipse, this is wrong. Okay, what should be written is this guy here. Okay, /Mars. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. Also, whenever you run the HANA Studio, here in example, I've created a shortcut in my desktop. Right click it and make sure that you run it as an administrator, or you can go to the file itself, x86, where is that, Eclipse, and that file there, you run it as an administrator, else it might give you some problems in the future. Okay, so here as you can see here, ABAP is already present, but okay, so here ABAP is already installed in my HANA Studio, but before I had that, so I click first the help tab there, and click the install new feature on new software, and that URL I mentioned a while ago, make sure that since it's Mars that I've installed the version of my Eclipse, it has to have a /Mars there. Okay, and copy that and paste it there, and it will automatically show these options. So in my case, I've selected the app development tools for SAP NetWeaver. So in here, all items are installed already, but after selecting all those, let's make an example. Okay, for example, here, select that. It will select all the children nodes. Click next, and it will ask you for a license agreement. You have to agree with that, and there it will automatically install the features in your HANA Studio then. So after that, you will see this ABAP icon over there, so it means ABAP is already installed in your studio. Okay, to test this, I click on the new, and no, not there, click on ABAP first, file, new, ABAP project, and here you will see your sandbox options. Also, I forgot to mention that make sure that your SAP GUI, the one that is installed in your computer is 7.6 in my case. 7.5 didn't work in my experience. I can't see there was an error with my installation, so I have to reinstall SAP GUI again and upgrade it to 7.6. And 7.6, no errors on my end. All the sandbox options also appear automatically in SAP HANA Studio automatically without even configuring anything in the studio. I'm not sure how it found the sandboxes, but it did found them. And there, if we click on this guy here, what I'm playing around with this a while ago. Also, I've created a test program in my HANA sandbox. You can see here that's a HANA sandbox here. That's for age. So I've created this ZPOL test 01, and here in my system I was able to see my ZPOL test 01. Double click that and you will see the code here, and same code that appears in the SAP GUI. So there, try those websites, okay? This one, and make sure JRE installed, SAP GUI is updated, and make sure that what do you call this? This one is correctly typed in whenever you're adding the ABAP features in your studio. And you can try this guide also from SAP Academy, SAP HANA Academy. And there, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.